Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix Sims 4 Unable to Start issue quickly and effectively. If the game won't open, first run Sims 4 as administrator by right-clicking the icon and selecting Run as Administrator. Next, check your antivirus or firewall and temporarily disable them because they can block the game from starting. Now open Origin or EA app and make sure it's fully updated to the latest version. After that, repair the game by right-clicking Sims 4 in your library and selecting Repair to fix corrupted or missing files. If you use mods or custom content, move the mods folder out of the game directory temporarily to see if it's causing conflicts. Also, clear the cache folder in the Sims 4 installation to remove temporary files. Finally, restart your computer and launch the game again, and Sims 4 should start normally, letting you play without any errors. Subscribe the channel for more videos.